And good evening. Welcome back to Thumper's Lockpicking. Kind of a weird story. Um, I'm so bobbleheaded, or if that's even a word, I don't know. But I got this in a package yesterday. Um, I can't tell you where it came from. It's an 8365. It's an ABUS. Um, I either have a secret admirer out there, or like I said, I'm dumbfounded on where this came from. This is one beast of a lock. It's really heavy. In fact, it hurts my other hand holding it up. I'm going to give it a shot on picking because you know what? What a beautiful, beautiful lock. It cost a fortune. I wish I know who sent it to me, and thank you, whoever it is out there. I'll probably find out. But the core is just unbelievable. I've already picked it 3 times. And at one time I just started off with, oh, I'm going to see if I can get a false rake. I raked it open after setting 2 pins. I set 2 pins, which are 1 and 2, that's given me problems. And then therefore raked it open. But I'm going to try not to go to the rake because I can hand pick this open. Each pick was less than 6 minutes. I mean, I had a 5 minute one. I didn't even count what the other one was, but I try. I'm going to do my best. If it gets over 10 minutes, my arm will just drop off anyway. It'll be my. I'm not going to do it with this. I can't do it with this. I'm going to try to do the best I can. We still in focus. What happened there? Damn fucking wasting my time. I don't want to bore you guys, really. I don't know if this is going to happen. Okay. Hopefully you guys will be able to see me, hear me, don't feel me. I'm not in a mood. I'm just trying to get set up. Sorry, wasting time. We're already into it if I don't know. What? Well, good 2 minutes so far. Waster of time. Okay. I wish I had a fatter tension bar. That's what she said. 1. Moving to the core already. Just get by 1 and 2, I got this. Gotta slow down. Something kind of felt wheel. This is starting right from the beginning again. Yeah, didn't feel right. How come when the camera goes on, everything turns different? That's the pick I used. Sorry, guys. Pin was stuck or something. I don't know. Something just feels different. Just click on 1. Come on, just gotta get by that 1 and 2. Go to 3. Come back. It was 3, I believe, or 4. I'm way in the back now. Okay, starting from the beginning. That was 1. That's what I liked. Got into a false set. Let me see if I can do this the way I did it before. It's got a tough spring, but that one chamber is really hard to get with on top of the keyway. I got it, so I think that was it. Let's continue. 1. Nothing on 2. That was 3. Good movement of the core, good false set. Counter rotation on 4, I believe. Oh, God. Something's kicking in. I'm going to start from the beginning. Yeah, it's funny. You got to see me. I got books stacked up for my arms so they don't get any more weaker, or for my arm. Okay, that was 4. Oh, don't do that to me. Lost my false set. Got it somewhat back, I believe. Gotta get that 1 pin again, damn it. Let's see if I need to at all. Okay, moving on. These are all clicks off the pins, guys. I'm just getting tired of talking. Hot flash. Back to beginning. It sure didn't work out the way I wanted it to. Guess it opens different all the time. Damn, 1 pin. You know what? Let's try this. Okay, one set. Two sets, so I can not have to worry about that. Don't like it. Starting over. Sorry. Trying to get that tension wrist halfway out, halfway in. Go after that first pin. Gonna leave it there. All right. What happened to all my feedback? Back to the beginning. One, I think. Yeah, I don't know. Man, I had so much confidence a minute ago. I just can't do this. I'm even gonna try my rake. I mean, I don't know what happened. Ow. Oh, damn it. So. Oh, I can't rake. Can't do it. Go back to my pick. A couple of seconds more, guys. I don't know what happened, man. Different lock. Okay. I'm rushing it. Lighten up my tension. Breathe. And here we go. Oh, 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 oh. Thank you, Jesus. Oh, oh. Yeah, I don't know what to say, but that's here by a lame, one-handed man. Um, Guys, I don't know if I can gut this. I'm gonna give it my best. Without a gutting, it's not fair. It's not an open. Let me get some of this out of my way. I'm gonna put it down here. You guys can still see it. Let me adjust the camera a little bit more. Okay. Somebody yell if it goes out of camera. Wow. I got it caught on camera. I'm very happy, guys. I'm very happy. I'm just not so happy about doing this. There we go. That's the back piece of it, I guess. Oh. There we go, guys. Get a little bit inside. Sorry, let me get my light. One-handed man playing pool. That works a little better at night. All right. What's it going to take to get this off? I don't know. Let me see. I hope this would make it easy. My books are falling. I sound like an old lady whining. I'm listening to myself now. Somebody tell me to shut the F up. I've never done one of these before. What am I gonna need? What am I gonna do? Am I gonna screw this all up? By the way, I am not planning to put this cord back in there. This is going out to, I think you guys know who. I'll order whatever nice security cord there is that can't be picked in there, and put it in. But this ain't going back in. Let me see. Did I not do something? You gotta push this down. Oh, I get it. Let me get this started because I can't do it with both hands. I knew this came out. Okay. Now my pins are all where? Oh man, they're all way over there. Yeah. Screwed it up. way fucking big disaster here. That was just number one, so maybe I haven't lost it yet. Please, I don't want to lose this. This is my greatest pick. Okay, we'll back that out. That's there. Stupid me. Always is that pin. I had it in the wrong place. I can't handle much time more on my arms, guys. Okay, we're fine. Call out the big dogs. Call out the big dogs. Woof, woof. I saved it. Oh, I'm so savable. I'm trying to grab. This is all taking so much time. I am so sorry. Okay, well, this is number one. And we're having lots. Let me readjust the camera here. I think I messed it up. Why does this keep on bending back? Okay. So we have a standard. I don't expect anything big in here. Can't be. I wouldn't have done it. I mean, I give myself a lot of credit, but with a wafer on top, I bet you these all have wafers. Number two is a standard, just short standard. Number three looks like a standard. I know it's upside down, damn it. I believe this had a disc in it. Oh, bitch. Thank you. The cooperation here. This is number four. Yeah, they all have little wafers so far. Five, wafer. Six, just a standard spool. The course is completely stock. Go finger out of the way, would you? Stock. Holding this in the wrong position to get any good lighting. There you go. Okay, moving on. Waiter. Oh. Okay. I usually open my locks the beginning with that on front, so I know that's the beginning on this one. Don't ask me how. I'm just here. I've got to stop picking and give my arms a rest. I just can't help it. I'm dedicated to this, man. I love it. I can't sit back and watch everybody else having fun right now. Okay, we got, looks like a little serrations on the top and bottom of that one. We have a copper spring. Number two. Number two is a nice spool. You know what I was feeling in there? Spools. I felt all spools, I mean, but Who am I? I'm just a lock picker. I don't know. It was just a feeling. Number 3 is a spool. Let me get both springs out. They're both the same. I want to screw this up. Wow. I'm impressed with myself, guys. Someone come give me a pat. I'll take a hug from the women. You know what? So far, I'm correct, guys. You know what I predicted? I'm gonna play the horses next week. That was a good call. Okay, where'd that wafer come from? That wafer was from number 2. Don't ask me how I know. I don't. I don't know why number 5 doesn't, but God, I hate empty, hollow followers. Why I picked this one. Okay, this was the last chamber there with the copper. Oh, wait a minute. These have got the spools on top of that. Would I put that in 2? That was probably, I'll figure that one out. Gotta rewatch that. I shouldn't even be friggin' fucking with these springs. Great. So it kind of came true. These were all spools. I am getting to know the feel of what the spools are. So I just got to figure what this other wafer came from. That wafer was there. I guess that wafer was there. And can't be that dumb chunk thumper. And that was there. Okay. One look with the probing scope says that hemorrhoids. Now, there's nothing done to this this lock. What is this lock? $100? I have no idea what it is. I mean, what do you got to do to get quality and a good product? It's a great lock. I saw what it took to have to cut one of these things open, and my God, I'm not worried about that. But when it's so easy to pick, this is so easy to pick that what the hell? Let me give you a close-up of what we got here. I'm sorry, dabbling. What are we into this? A whole 28 minutes. Sorry, very sorry. So this is what we got. All spools on the top. I don't know about the wait. I don't know about the fifth chamber over there. Yeah, the 5th chamber. Sorry. That looks like a. Doesn't it look like a key pin to you? But I guess not. So we got spools and whatever you want to call that. Got a little tit to it. I don't know. And the bottom are all just standard with. I'm blown away by. I'm not going on. I'm feeling something kick in here, and I'm not going to blabber. Anyway, you know what? You know what I got to say, don't you? I don't want to say it, but I have to say it. It's going to be my new motto from now on. Please let's not set a bad example for our sport. Don't put your picks in anyone else's locks unless you have explicit permission. Okay? There it is, man. my ABUS that I don't know where it came from. Um, wow. I'm gone. And I'm going to rest some more. God darn it. All right. I'm out. Bye. See ya. Hasta la vista.